Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
So Vivo has launched his flagship phone, which is Vivo X21. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this phone and let's find out whether it is really a 36,000 worth it phone or not. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video.
So this is Vivo X21, the flagship phone from Vivo, and today we're going to do unboxing of this phone. So let me first start with the unwrapping of this phone, and if I take it from the box, so outside the box it says that official partner of the FIFA World Cup 2018. This is the phone, the fingerprint sensors beneath the screen. So let's keep it aside and let's focus on the components of this phone. If I talk about the components, it's supported by a back cover, and let's see what this is. Another some manuals, and on the manual we have a SIM injector tool. That's it, and this is might probably be the USB cable. So this phone is coming with the normal USB charger, not a Type-C charger. And this is the official Russia 2018 FIFA World Cup. So these are the headphones which are coming with this phone, and it's again normal headphones, 3.5 mm jack headphones, and this might be the charger. So this is all the component. This is the charger which they are supporting with this phone, and it's a normal type charger, you can see. So let's keep this aside. It's not even a fast charger. So this is the phone which we are talking about. Even if you look, the notch is there, 19:9 display ratio. The notch is supported by a camera. And if you look at the back of this phone, on the side is a 3.5 mm jack and a slot for mic. And if I talk about other, on the side we have a volume up and down rocker button, a power on and off button with this phone, and on the bottom we have a speaker and a USB cable charging point and a slot for memory. Yes, this phone is supported by a memory slot and a SIM injector tray which is beneath at the phone. So this is the which we are talking about. It can be used as a hybrid slot for one phone or for the other. If I talk more about this phone on the back side is supported by a dual camera, which is a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera and a flash in between these cameras. On the front, if you can see, the camera is outside. Even if I touch it from the sideways, the phone is a little bit of rocking, but that's okay because the camera is again like a Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is again pointed out, and the same as in the Apple 10. So on the behind is kind of a glass body. Even the fingerprints you can able to see. So this is the fingerprint sensor on the top of the phone, which is the again USB of this phone. And if I talk about the detection of the fingerprint, so it takes quite a while before detecting this my fingerprint, and it's just a fun that we can have a fingerprint sensor behind the screen. So Vivo has done a great thing with this point of bringing the fingerprints beneath the screen. So let me talk more about the volume, and the kind of music which they're providing with this is great. Even if you look up to the gate volumes and gate music, they have a normal type of equalizers. Select headphones and you can have a normal equalizer. If on the screen is good, even from the sideway you can't be able to see any black screen or any gray line. On the top we have a kind of same kind of notification which is from again like an iPhone 10. So Vivo has done a little bit of copy of the iPhone gestures, and these are kind of gestures which you can have. So they kind of different kind of gestures which you can select as per your need, and the same kind of gesture which are going to come in the latest version of Android P. So if I talk more about this phone, you can have a different gesture to control. You can see that from bottom to top you can go and you can have different kind of gestures. Even it's saying that swipe apps from left to right. So these kind of the phones which this phone is offering. And if I talk about more about this phone, the only USB which is coming with is the fingerprint sensor, and rest is not over there. And moreover, if I talk about the photos or the games which I played, the games which I played is great because the Snapdragon 660 AI processor is supported very well with this phone, and the games and the browsing speed doesn't lag. Just the pictures which I've taken in the dark are not so very good, which I'm going to show you in my coming videos, and the picture which are taken in the daylight are quite fantastic. And soon I'm going to be able to compare both the OnePlus 6 and Vivo X21 pictures, since how they both appeared, and That's it from my side. And if you're going to buy this phone, I don't recommend to buy this phone, and this phone is cost around 36,000. And moreover, this phone just have a fingerprint sensor beneath the screen and nothing more beyond that. And it's really not coming with the type C charger which are coming from this day today. I don't know about what Vivo is doing, why they're bringing out so costly about the phone. And that's it. So please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching such videos.
So guys, in my view, the fingerprint sensor behind the screen is a plus point. It's a new feature which is we are long waiting from the phone, and Vivo has done that. Besides that, the Vivo hasn't done anything in this phone. Even if you talk about the 3.5mm jack, is not available with this phone, and type C charger which is available in this price range phone is not available. And more of the Snapdragon 660 is more of a 19 to 20,000 price range phone, and 36,000 I don't think that I recommend this phone to buy to anyone. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.